This is Project Mudra's final evaluation video for the new venture creation course. Project Mudra is a Braille literacy initiative by the students of BITS Pilani, Goa. The team consists of Sanskriti Dable, Aman Srivastav and Prakhar Toshniwal. The problem that we focus on is the low Braille literacy among the blind people in the world. Learning Braille is very important to blind people. There are 39 million people in the world for whom Braille stands for equality. It puts them at par with the other non-visually impaired people. It stands for employment. Knowledge of Braille makes them employable, which otherwise 70% of visually impaired people are unemployed. Braille stands for independence. With employability and literacy comes self-sufficiency and independence. And Braille resources stand for success. Still, a whopping 90% of blind people are Braille illiterate. The reasons for low Braille literacy are lack of adequately trained teachers. Basically, the number of teachers who are trained to teach Braille, qualified to teach Braille, is really low. Now, kids with low vision are deprived of Braille and otherwise forced to learn print. People with low vision and degenerating vision, generally it is in their best interest to learn Braille, but they are forced to learn print due to societal pressures. The costs for Braille technology are really high and prohibitive for adoption. And what has happened is, due to the advent of screen readers and dictation software, people have stopped learning how to read and write. This is a big misunderstanding due to which blind people are suffering. Now, the potential of this market is huge. There are 35 million Braille illiterate blind people in the world. And 10% of them live in developed countries where governments are bound to pay for appropriate assistive technology. And such technology would be a welcome initiative in the rest of the world as well. Enter Mudra. Mudra is a Braille dicta teacher. It is built on a Raspberry Pi using Python. There is an accompanying Android app and custom-built tactile hardware. Mudra is affordable, available and accessible. It is much more low in cost compared to the other solutions out there. It is open source, which means it is available to all. And even the mobile app has a completely non-visual interface to make it accessible even without the talkback accessibility options. Mudra has already received a lot of recognition on various international print media and online platforms and conferences. This has led us to broaden our vision as to what our project can accomplish. Our team consists of Sanskriti Dable, Aman Srivastav and Prakhar Toshniwal. We are now going to focus on user testing and research and incorporating those features, and then raising money to go forward to mass distribution. We have a sustainable business model that consists of multiple revenue streams: sales of hardware, recurring maintenance fees, premium paid version of apps, and customized learning management systems for schools. Also, another source of revenue is direct funding from CSR initiatives. We have three types of customers. Obviously, schools, individuals, governments and CSR, and other non-governmental organizations. Among schools, we have schools for the blind as an obvious thing, and also regular schools to help their differently abled students keep at par with everybody else. Among individuals, we have blind individuals, people with low vision, family members and educators. Among governments and CSR, we'll have CSR divisions of big companies, governments of developed countries, and also some non-governmental organization. This is our customer segmentation. Based on the feedback we've gotten by demonstrating our initial prototypes to a few users and customers, some of them said something like this could find great use in a special school. And these days, accessibility options that TalkBack enables them to use Android and iPhones because these phones have great interfaces for visually impaired people. We have incorporated this in our model. Our competitive advantage compared to other players in the same field is usability because of the custom-built tactile platform, accessibility in all these various platforms which we are supporting, portability, which is a major plus everywhere, and affordability. We think that's our biggest USP. We have different modes for different users. There's auto mode for absolute beginners, browse mode for advanced learners, and exam mode for educators to test the level of competence. This is our MVP. We have built it with the support of the mechanical engineering and computer science departments at BITS Goa. And this has been 3D printed from the 3D printer here at BITS Goa. Please support us. We need your support to make our vision a reality. Feel free to go to our website and contribute whatever you feel like. Every little penny counts. Thank you.